Today's topic is rules of divisibility of 4. Now, rules of divisibility of 4 says for a number to be divisible by 4, the last two digits of the number must be divisible by 4. So, see, we are given a question, find which of the following numbers are divisible by 4. The first step that we have to follow is, see, the number is 222. Check the last two digits of the number, that is 22. Do we find 22 in 4's table? No, we do not find. We get 4 into 5, which is equal to 20. We get 4 into 6, which is equal to 24. So in any way, we do not get 22. Therefore, no, it is not divisible by 4. We can prove it. See, 222, it will not get divisible by 4. Let's check. 4 into 5, we get 22, and again the 2 shifts down. Again 4 into 5 is 20, and 2 remains as a remainder. Therefore, hence proved that it is not divisible by 4. Without even solving, without even dividing, we can find out using the rules of divisibility. See, the next number that we given is 532. Check the last two digits of the number. It is 32. Yes, it is found in the table of 4. That is 4 into 8 is 32. Since it is found in the table of 4, the answer will be yes, it is divisible by 4. We can check the answer. See, 5, 3, 2. If we divide it by 4, we get 4, we get 1, 13, 4 into 3, 12, 1 and 2. Again 4 into 3, we get 12, and there is no remainder. So hence proof that yes, my answer is correct. Now we are going to move to a question. The question says, in each of the following numbers, replace the star by the smallest number to make the resulting number divisible by 4. So see, the number that we have is 6, 4, and there is a star mark which we have to replace with a digit and 2. The rules of divisibility of 4 says that the last two digit of the number must be divisible by 4. So first step is we have to write down all the tables of 4 in such a manner so that we can find which numbers or which multiples of 4 has 2 at the end of it. That is, if we write the table, 4 into 1 is 4, 4 into 2 is 8, 4 into 3 is 12, 4 into 4 is 16, 4 into 5 is 20. This manner, if we write down, we see we have already got 12 where there is 2 in units place. So the number, the digit by which the star will get replaced will be 1. The number hence we get is 6412, where the last two digits are in the table of 4. We find them in the table of 4. Therefore, we can conclude that 6412 will be divisible by 4. We can check the answer. It is possible. Similarly, we'll move to the question, that is, see, we've got a number 466 and then we have got a star mark here. So now we have to think of a table of 4, a number in a table of 4 where there is 6 in the tens place, and we have to find what is there in the units place. So if we start writing the table of 4, we were already writing it over here. See, 4 into 5 was 20. This way we will write. See, till 40 we know the answer will not be there because there is a 6 in the tens place. 6 in the tens place. Therefore, the number must be greater than that. In order to find a number greater than that, what we have to do is 64 we have to find in 4's table. For doing that, number can't be 61. 61 is not divisible by 4. Then we will move to the next number, that is 62. We will check whether 62 is divisible or not. So if we divide it, 4, 1, we get 4, then 2, 22. So it will not be 1 as well. Then 1 and 2 both are not possible. 63 will not be possible. We will move to the next number, that is 64. If I divide it by 4, 4 into 1, 4, then we get 2, and then 4, and 6 4s are 24. We find that 4 into 16 is 64. In case you're well versed with the table, you don't have to divide and find out. But I showed you because most of you do not know the table of 16. So in that case, we can say 64 will be the number. Therefore, we will replace the star with the 4. So the number that we get is 4664. And if we check the answer, we will find that this number is divisible by 4. Let's check it. 4664. 664. If we divide by 4, we get on the 4, 26, 4 6 are 24, we get 2, and lastly the 4 comes down, so 4 into 6 is 24. Therefore, we can say that it leaves no remainder, so we can conclude that yes, it is divisible, hence it is proved that yes, it is divisible. So the smallest number that we get is 4.